Okay, so today we have one that I've been wanting to try for a while, and we just haven't been able to find it until now. These are Jujubes. Their color's starting to turn. They're a little overripe, I think. And they have a few different names. One of them is Indian Plum, and another is Chinese Date. Because from what I understand, when they are dried, they taste like dates. But fresh, they are supposed to have an apple-y taste. Mm-hmm. Have you had these before?
Nope.
Okay.
Just knew of them. And wanted to try them. But I've never had the opportunity.
Till now. Oh. And they do have a pit.
They do.
From what I was reading, the pit has 2 seeds in it.
Oh, that's cool.
The texture is definitely like that of an apple.
It's like a dry apple.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's like a dry apple. Very tough. Interesting.
I didn't mean to drool. No, it's like a dry apple.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty okay with it.
So this one is not very sweet at all. It's like got a very light hint of sweetness. But overall not sweet.
Yeah.
So this is different for sure.
Yeah, now I need to go buy some dried ones to see what those ones
Yeah, we
taste
should
like.
try dried ones.
And do a side by side.
Uh-huh.
Because I know that you can put the dried ones in like soups, or you can slice them up and then help use for stocks and stuff.
That's interesting. I think we just had some other really sweet fruit. So this is like other end of the spectrum because it's not sweet at all. I take that back. It's not.
Hella sweet.
It's like a 1 or a 2 out of 10.
Yeah.
On the sweetness scale.
And I like that.
Yeah. I think this would go great with a lot of things. Like I would have it with tea or something.
Mm-hmm. I want it with spicy cheese spread.
Okay.
Not for flavor, but texture.
I think
Because I like the texture.
someone expecting it to be sweet would be disappointed.
Yeah, because like when you think of like, oh, this is supposed to be something date or something plum, it's going to be sweet as all heck. And then when it's not, they're like,
Yeah, or if you say it has like an apple-y taste / texture or things like that.
they're going to immediately assume the sweetest of the bunch.
Yeah.
Or at least Fuji, since that one's readily available.
And it's not
everywhere.
that. It's not that at all.
Yeah. It's like a golden apple, but less juicy
Mm-hmm. And less sweet.
and less sweet. And I like it.
I think that's is different, so I like that. I think I want to experiment with these in different ways. So that's Jujubes. They are becoming more common in Western markets than they have been. I was just at Lowe's the other day, and they're selling the trees there. So they're making their way into the into the culture, and people are getting exposed to them bit by bit. But they're definitely a new fruit for me, because I've certainly never had them before.
I knew of them, but
yeah, I knew of them.
I just wasn't able to eat them.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know where to find it.
Yeah, exactly. And we got this from 99.
Yep, I got the sticker right here. It says thank you.
Yeah, so we got it from an Asian market, and that's probably where you'll find them right now, if you live in Southern California, where we are.
Or if you really live anywhere near here and you're looking for things
Yeah, things that are different, because
of not here origin.
Yeah, in the Western supermarkets and grocery stores, you're gonna find generally the same sort of stuff. Unless it's like a farmer's market, then they might have
some cool beans.
A little bit more variety. Yeah, that's a Jujube. I like them.
I like them too.
They're different.
Yeah. Heck yeah.